ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯅꯥꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯦ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 12 ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯂꯛ ꯁꯨꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ 3 ꯑꯩ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ 1 ꯁꯦꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ 2 ꯁꯦꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ 3 ꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 12 ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯅꯥꯗ ꯍꯪꯉꯁꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯅꯥ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯣ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 12 ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣꯅꯦ
Okay, ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯅꯤꯖꯥꯃꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯅ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧ ꯌꯥꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯞ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯀꯅꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ and then which colleges we can get you ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ so ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯆꯍꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ TGꯗ recently function ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ scholarship test ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ organize ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒꯤ announcement ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ function ꯑꯃꯁꯨ organize ꯇꯧꯋꯦ wherein we distributed 20 cycles to students of TG gida financially khadang backward oiba adagi afford tawngam students adugi da so koyanda ama organize tawkiba ko aduda akoina scholarship test ama announce tawki which will be conducted in the month of April. Manipur and then other 7 northeast states the first ever national level scholarship test. This will be under the name of Nizamia scholarship tests and Maming Thole. Sida akoina tawdoi se mainly we are targeting students of area that is affected by insurgencies, kumbana affected or by militancy, adagi proper infrastructure laitaba. Have akoise 12 tam loiraga nangsu cheta nangsu aiju mapanda loi tam ine ba ko 12 tam loiraga ai makha tam thaninge haidi Manipur da akoise option laite ba. Aduna we had to struggle karamba ko is tamni and then who do we contact, what do we do? We came across so many students potentially marks possible like on an average most of the students not east is Manipur is 80% plus 70% plus adu my main problems financial condition kind of stable oidaba. So this year we decided for the first time to organize a national level scholarship test. See the scholarship test, see the top 300 students. It's only from the states of Northeast ki top 300 students in Sida. We will be giving free of cost education. Free of cost education will include both tuitions and hostel. Anyone included. So this will be akoina form release we will be releasing a prospectus along with it. In the prospectus, every detail of like Karamba College akoina accommodate that will be given. Like mumming of colleges, CC colleges, that's akoina pido free of cost kama angang khale ni dara noina free the pini aje kali college the pido do the question ma'am raised with dana. So everything will be in detail provided to you in your prospectus. Plus suppose students say nana national level exams mein humse clear ta ho ko or suppose you clear DU ki entrance exam DU the I can't give you placement in DU the nang aina admission ta biwa it will based on your eligibility. Now suppose eligible oire plus I Nizamia scholarship test the top 300 the chantadi. What we will do is we will bear all your expenses. Tuition fees plus hostel expenses course bear. So this is what we are going to do for the top 300 students. See, I'll tell you. First prize is 300 top students free of cost education.
Okay.
The next is 150 top student free of cost tuition fees.
Okay.
Third is top 1000 students free laptops. And the fourth is 2000 free tablets to the remaining 2000 tops.
Okay. Ado moi fees sung di kamai to
Fees I say akoina form thaba the form gi fees will be 500 rupees per form. No amount will be paid except for like security deposit or in a college store. College to the there will be a certain amount of security deposit. Adudina college it will always be refunded. Security deposit see suppose during the duration of your course college will keep a certain amount of security deposit. That's a minimal amount. Other security deposit will be decided by the university, whichever university they are getting placed. Other university to get accordingly security deposit minimal amount. Nangi course the security deposit amount will be refunded. Other than that, we will be only charging a minimal amount of 500 rupees per form.
Test ki form ne ba.
Form ki examination fees.
Ado hujiki khaliba angang sa magi di mangon na paisa sang do only leiba habidi magi
magi chajaba khotpa man I be extra oina mess na tabi da suppose koi bu chatle
Okay.
that will be the only things they
Okay,
they
habili ado hostel nung kay gidi
hostel we will be providing for the top 300 students.
top 300. Top 300 to jik lagi se free laptops for 1000.
1000 top students.
Okay.
2000 free tablets to the see I'll tell you first prize is 300 top students free of cost education.
Okay.
The next is 150 top student free of cost tuition fees.
Okay.
Third is top 1000 students free laptops. And the fourth is 2000 free tablets to the remaining 2000 tops.
Okay. Ada hujiki nangi test ya. Manipur dana kai tawduino adagi atai northeast na ko kadai tawduino hape address.
Manipur ki akoi ki 7 districts hai. See the all 7 districts ta koi examination center pirakani ba ko. Form se release to matam na centers ko lemba allot tor kani ba like nang admit card la paganda. Admit card la kanda centers allot tor kani all 7 districts ta koi exam ta oni Manipur ki de. And Mizoram gi so Nagaland Guwahati Ozi Guwahati se Assam gi se we are still deciding kamai ta usigena because hozi law and condition moi gi am phazada phatri da na because of CA and all that but if the situation subsides Assam da su tawgani akoi Arunachal Pradesh Meghalaya, Tripura, akoi centers lo ina ba pirakani noi admit card to the along with your roll number and the centers. So Manipur do so all 7 districts so we will have one center each.
Alo si apply to we form jika dai loguni.
Form se akoi Manipur do so office hange ba ko chinga makha da. Ching singjamai chinga makha mai sam le kai da office ma hange ni zamya gi na offline loaning adi adu dagi la aga you can collect the form. Adu na tragana akoi gi website www.nizamiaeducation.com.
Link to
adu the so online forms so nangon available ta oni plus every district ki jaga amam da loina ba forms available o hen ngani ba ko now we are akoi no jikta is we trying to talk to schools sing the so available o hen na ba forms sing say like feasible o na ba students pum na magta so forms ti readily available in case found that they can always contact me
and then I can send it to them number so apse lage description to ko adu tadi yam nungare ngasi nang unabse akoi angang sing class 12 loiga na kai tawning ba habido ara moi gi mark am phangba khotpa adu nang test tu
habidi na hamu che hi su kai no akoi na namu taw gi dana ko adu da akoi na counseling chapa ka anda satra je like kaino dagi Churchandpur dagi and then far across 93% per students ko je akoi kaino phangdre admission phangasu like adu mapanda tamba haisida it's not just tuition fees and it's not just mayam leidana adu duna tamngam dre sida Manipur dum tammage kai tawi ko adu matam du de akoi se free the people ngam khide ba khaba adu du ka handak se akoi na this is very like suppose akoi si exams if we could have done it in Delhi this to be ba but we don't want to do it in Delhi because they already have the infrastructure over here in Delhi they have everything available
aduna angang sing akoi gi hujigi test to do sida 12 fast 300 ranking da adu matungna free education leire adaidi free laptop leire adai free tablet leire adu rank tu gi matungina loi pira ka doine adu participate to kai gumo paisa nungai taba paisa gumo phak ta lai ta ga su jing ni jamia na sponsor to dine nangi adu chama thakpa nangi extra ko mapan tho chaba natana hostel gi tuition fee adu loi no to dine adu ta di let's go